Eugene Thomas, General Manager of JET Limousines and Transportation, and I'm here today with...
Billy Jinks, President and Owner of JET Limousines and Transportation.
That's right. And Billy, what are we doing here today? What is the purpose of this little conversation?
Today we're talking about our new ABC van hoels that we added to our fleet.
Right, and let's talk about the journey of why we've got 6 brand new pretty van hoel CX45 sitting in our yard today.
So after COVID, we needed to add to our fleet. Business is back, we're growing, we're busy, and we needed something to take our brand and our service to the next level.
Correct, and as we were discussing what we need to do with this fleet and upgrade, update, deal with the new business that is coming on board here, how did we wind up with ABC and van hoel CX45?
That was huge. Just getting calls back was big for me, but the follow through, the drive and determination to be more of a partner than just another vendor was really big. You know, they flew out and met with us many times. They took all my ideas and my little sketches on what I wanted to kind of do with our brand and help make it a reality. They helped us sell buses that we had trouble selling from other manufacturers that they didn't even sell us, and they really brought that idea alive.
What's the journey been like for us now? Let's talk about, post-sale, right? The after-sales support that we've received with ABC.
Support is amazing. I can send a text message and get an answer. I've done it as early as 4 a.m. and gotten a response back. But really just the friendship and the partnership. I can call and ask questions, and we joke and we have fun. We go out to eat, and they're there for us. They're definitely an extension of our brand here in Arizona.
I think that's a great way to say it, is partnership, right? They really have become a partner with us from the service side, as far as, we took delivery of a vehicle that didn't have the outlets in it because we were in such a hurry to grab it and get it on the street because, we're busy, right? We've been busy. This year's been great for JET Limousines. And so here we are reaching the holidays, got a little bit of a slowdown, and sitting right next to us is the service rep actually installing some outlets in the seats that didn't have time before we took delivery. So that's been a great partnership add-on, right? The after-sales support and making sure that it got done. They waited for us to be slow to get it done, not, hey, we're here, let's do it right in the middle of the busy season, right? Because we couldn't do it. So that understanding of when we have the time and availability to get these things done and being patient with us.
Definitely
to do that.
Flexible, patient.
So then let's kind of talk about the redesign, and that's kind of part of what we did with the new CX45s and was the first one to be done, and how that all took place with the new CX45, the 10-year anniversary of JET Limousines and Transportation, and your willingness to kind of create this. But talk about how they helped that along.
So we like to be different. We like to have the newest and best stuff in town, and we started, I think we were one of the first ones with black coaches in town, and that really became our brand. So after 10 years, it was kind of fun to change that up. There's a lot more people now with black motor coaches, so we decided to go with this new gray color with black wheels, black reflective stripes, just trying to be different while still having that classy, iconic look.
We got 6 beautiful brand new van hoel CX45s in the yard, as well as recoloring and rebranding the entire fleet. What are some of the steps that they had done with making sure it wasn't just a plain Jane coach with just our color on it?
Yeah, that part was pretty exciting. So I had we had ideas, we drew them up, we did sketches, and ABC kind of took it a step further, and they went above and beyond and asked us, hey, what about if we did this? They blacked out our logos. They changed our bag reflectors to black instead of the standard white that everyone has.
Red on the back, wasn't the red tail light?
Yeah,
coverings?
They painted the taillights to match. So they brought all their own ideas and kind of really made this a custom bus just for us, which was really exciting.
So we've got a new opportunity with the Super Bowl in 2023. Billy, you want to kind of talk about how that came to fruition?
So I actually got a phone call. Someone that saw one of our buses outside of his hotel, one of our new van hoels, and asked how many of them we had. They love the color, they love the design, the elegance of it, and it turns out we're going to be hauling both Super Bowl teams this year.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. In Phoenix, 2 of the largest sporting events are coming the same week, which is going to be tough for transportation companies like us. But the opportunity, based on the rebrand and your design, and other people really liking that and wanting the 2 teams that go to the Super Bowl to be on board our vehicles, it's memorable for sure.
Definitely. I think it's exciting that our brand paired with a good-looking bus can really do that for someone.
Well, Billy, it's been a pretty exciting year so far. Looking forward to the future.
2023 is going to be really exciting with this new ABC partnership.